Your Internet Business Journey, LLC performs a broad range of services for our clients. We have categorized the services into the following basic groups: services for individuals, services for business, and tax services. Now, we recognize that individuals and businesses need tax services, and we understand that individuals and businesses are usually the same. However, in order for you to determine how we might be of help to you, we have broadly categorized our services and then listed various services within each category. For example, over 95% of all Americans have issues with their debt. We have listed that as the first link in the services for individuals. Look at the debt management link to see how serious the problem is and how we can help you with it. Also, one question we frequently address is how to grow your business. Marketing is a very important and grossly mismanaged area of a business. Accordingly, we place that link at the top of the business services category. After you have reviewed any subjects that might be helpful to you, and should you have any questions, please call me at 801-995-0108 to take advantage of your free 30-minute consultation. I look forward to talking with you.